Hello viewers, welcome to Tradabulls. Today Nifty lost more than 300 points comparatively yesterday's close. All major heavyweights, so top 10 counters moved in single direction, that is downward direction. Let us see what happened. So today's range was about 367 points compared to yesterday's close, and all major indices, Bank Nifty, IT Nifty and Reliance, so all three showed in downward momentum. And this week data, more than 532 points range formed for this last 5 days. So Monday to Thursday, it was created about 250 points, very small range. But today the range was extended more than double what happened on last 2 days. So 250 points last 4 days. And today it was more than 532 points range from Monday to till today. And overall loss in terms of percentage was 1.5%, and Bank Nifty was 1.5%, IT was 1.3%, and major damage from Reliance. It's more than 3% from this entire week. So coming to sentiment wise, 15 out of 50 are in positive side and 35 out of 50 are in negative side. If we observe the loser side, all are heavyweights only. Reliance, ICICI Bank, L&T, SBI, Infosys, Bharti Airtel. So till here, all are in heavyweight side. Major movement happened. So because of that one only, we have seen this much fall today. And coming to major index levels, Nifty levels. So Nifty last month high was 25,268. So yesterday it touched 25,260. Yesterday's high also 25,275. And even in our yesterday's analysis, we talked about this number, 24,974 would be the next probability number downside. So today it's touched and market closed below that level, 24,974. So today's closing price was 24,852 and today's low was 24,800 level. So 24,852 is in between last month's 78.6 and 61.8 percentage. So next week, this would be the important level, 24,743. 24,743, round figure is 24,750. So 24,750, as long as it holds 24,750, still market will be continuing upward direction. And 24,750 is an important level as per Fibonacci retracement. And anyhow, weekly and daily levels will be freshly created on Monday. And coming to major pivot points, so 24,800 was the monthly pivot point. So monthly pivot point was 24,800 and today's low was 24,800. So today market respected monthly pivot point, so 24,800 level. So this is one important level. Market closed above this level, 24,850 level. So Monday again market may retest this level, and even if it breaks another important level at Fibonacci retracement and extension. So these two are very important levels, 24,800 and 24,750 in levels. So still market in upward direction only, and any day, either Monday or Tuesday, if market closes below these levels, 24,750 levels, so market may enters into reverse direction, that is downtrend. Coming to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty last month high was 51,877. So from last 5 sessions, it didn't touch that level. So the maximum high was 51,750. This week high was 51,750 and last month high was 51,877. So close to last month high, but it didn't reach that level. And yesterday 51,400 mark below it was closed. And last week, entire week, 51,000 has huge support for Bank Nifty, but today decisively it's broken that level and market closes below that level, 51,000 mark. So overall, today it was, Bank Nifty was lost by more than 1.75%, and completely end to end this week, net to net. So last Friday till this Friday, more than 1.5% lost, and it lost one important level, that is 51,000 mark, which was the major support by last week. And yesterday it was broken this level, 51,400 level. So today it was broken this level, 51,028 mark, and 50,765 was the 50% level. So today these two levels decisively broken and market closed below that level. So 51,028 and 50,765. So now the important level would be 38.2% level, that is indicating at 50,500 level. So today's low 50,447. So today's low to close, there was no much bigger momentum, about 100 points or 120 points only. So today market touched last month's range percentage, that is 38.2%. So Nifty holds 61.8% of last month's range, and Bank Nifty holds 38.2% of last month's range. So these two are very much important levels, especially for Bank Nifty. Today's low, that is 50,500, is major support. If it breaks and if it closes below either 1 hour candle or 1 day candle, market Bank Nifty may enter into downward momentum. So 50,500 is key level. Last week 51,000, very strong support. So this week or this month 50,500 would be the major support. Coming to Bank IT. So IT today it lost about 1%. Overall net to net from weekly perspective it is more than 1.3%. So Nifty lost 1.5%, Bank Nifty lost around 1.3%, and IT also lost around 1.3% on weekly basis. So coming to major data points, so today's close was 42,228. So 42,228 is indicating in between 78.6% to 100% of last month's range. So as long as it holds 40,970, so 40,970, above that we have one more important level, 41,825. So today's low around 42,000, sorry, that is previous low. So current low 42,167. So 41,825 has very good support. If it breaks 40,970. So comparatively Nifty and Bank Nifty, IT still in clear upward momentum, upside only. So still it is in between 100% to 78.6% of last month's range. So overall Nifty closed above 61.8% of last month's range. Bank Nifty was above 38.2% of last month's range, and IT closed above 78.6% of last month's range. So still IT is in upward momentum, and banks are at very crucial juncture, and Nifty is in about to 61.8%. So both Nifty and IT closed above that 61.8, and Bank Nifty at 38.2% levels. So coming to index movers, so Nifty Plus. So we created this Nifty Plus to single glance for three major indices and one of the major heavyweight, Reliance on Nifty. So Nifty, Bank Nifty, IT and Reliance at single glance. So here when we observe the candle observations, so 22 out of 22 negative side paused. That's why the downward momentum is clearly showing since morning, and Bank Nifty also downward momentum, IT also downward momentum, and Reliance also downward momentum. So since morning, all three major indices and Reliance heavyweight, all four are indicating downward momentum only. So more than 300 points negative created for intraday. On weekly basis, so Monday and Tuesday, the candle was showed in neutral, upward momentum for Nifty, and Wednesday, Thursday, both days it was showed in neutral, and today, since morning, it was under pressure, so it was clearly showed the negative direction. So observations also 22 out of 22 was in a negative side, whereas in Bank Nifty also 22 out of 22 in negative side, and IT just 10 out of 22 negative side, and Reliance also major damage. So this week it was lost more than 3%. So Reliance was the one of the major impact for Nifty. So whatever we lost from the Nifty from 25,300 to 24,800, more than 500 points net to net from all-time high to today's closing. But Reliance contributed majorly, so it was entire week it was 3% lost. So overall weekly data, it is indicating negative side, but as per monthly data, still Nifty is in neutral zone, so only 7 out of 22 negative side passed, and Bank Nifty still clearly showing negative side. IT was under neutral, and Reliance was in clear downward momentum. So still monthly data is indicating neutral. As long as it holds 24,750 mark, we may expect the upward momentum. So when it closes below 24,750, then only the downward momentum will be started. Coming to next Nifty 10, so we created top 10 heavyweights of Nifty at single glance, that we will call it as Nifty 10. So here we have two things. Number one, the major index and along with all the major heavyweights. So under Nifty, whatever 10 top heavyweights, just based on the weightage, just we are mentioning over here, and clearly it is indicating the advanced declines ratio of the 10 particular counters and also the observations on that particular candle. So here we have 10 out of 10 advance and declines ratio, so 10 declines out of 10, and Nifty index also was indicated downward momentum, 22 out of 22 negative side observations cleared. So both this one and this one was clearly indicated in downward momentum. And weekly data, as per weekly data, out of 10, 8 are indicating downward momentum, only 2 are in neutral zone. So let us see what are all the 2 closed in neutral. ITC was closed in neutral zone, and what is the other one? HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank didn't participate in this week in the Nifty's fall, so it's closed flat note. So 0% only compared to last Friday's price to this Friday's price. It's almost all same, very flat note. So HDFC Bank didn't involve this 500's Nifty's fall. So majorly Reliance was participated. So majorly Reliance around 3%. And ICICI Bank around 1.7%, minus 1.7%, Infosys more than 2%, and L&T major damage, L&T also more than 3.5% this week. And Bharti Airtel also more than 3%, SBI more than 4%. And coming to monthly's data, still 7 are indicating in neutral zone, 3 are showing in negative side. Let us see what are the 3: Reliance, L&T, SBI. Reliance, L&T, SBI, 3 are showing in downward momentum as per monthly's data, and remaining 7 are indicating in neutral zone. So monthly data still in neutral, yearly data clearly positive side, except HDFC Bank. All other counters are indicating upward momentum, and half yearly data 6 out of 10, and quarterly data 4 out of 10 as per advance and declines. So coming to Bank Nifty, so top 10 banks when we consider, so here 9 declines are clearly showing, and index also it was showed in downward momentum. Here also as per weekly's data 6 declines, and here also candid's data is also indicating downward momentum. So what are all the 6 plus 3 are in neutral zone. 1 is indicating upward momentum from banking sector. Let us see what is that. AU Bank. AU Bank was closed about plus 2% in this week. And coming to monthly's data, so monthly data also clearly indicating downward momentum as per Bank Nifty's candle. And the clear counters from downward momentum, SBI and Bank of Baroda, PNB, Punjab National Bank. And coming to IT is also indicating clear downward momentum as per weekly's data, but monthly it is showing in neutral. So IT and Nifty both are showing in neutral zone as per monthly's data, but banks are clearly indicating downward momentum. So let us see mid-cap select also. So we have 25 counters in mid-cap select. Out of 25, we have taken top 10 heavyweights. So as per intraday data, 8 out of 10 are showing decline side, and a candle is also in downward momentum. And weekly data, clearly mid-cap, it is showcasing that downward momentum. So as per Nifty, it is in neutral. Bank Nifty, it is in downward. And IT, it was in neutral, but mid-cap, it is showing downward momentum. So as per monthly's data, mid-cap is showing in neutral, Nifty is showing in neutral, and Bank Nifty is in downside, and IT is showing in neutral. So coming to heat maps. So what are the poor and best performers as per weekly's data? So Hero Motors, Asian Paint, Bajaj Finserv, Titan and SBI Life more than 2.5% to 5.5% improved. And downside, NTPC, Dr. Reddy's, Tata Motors, ONGC, Coal India more than 5% to 7% lost. And still yearly data, majority are in down upward momentum only. So we may expect positive momentum as long as Nifty holds 24,750 level. Any daily candle, if it closes below 24,750, then only we may see further profit booking. That's all today's analysis. So we'll meet on Monday's analysis. Thank you. Thank you so much.